Today, this is an update on the analysis I made on Volatility 100 1x index. All right. And here we're going to break it down step by step. So make sure you watch this video to the end because you have a lot of things to learn in this video. All right, I'm going to show you everything step by step, how to analyze trade to make consistent profit, and how to trade independently without waiting for anyone to give you signals. All right, remember, I don't offer VIP signals, I only offer mentorship. And here I'm going to show you step by step this analysis, so make sure you watch this video to the end. All right, so here on Volatility 100 1x index, okay, I'm gonna show you how I pick this entry from this point here down to the take profit. Okay, I'm not just gonna show you the profit, but I will focus more on the process, what I did, so that you can get the exchange and make profit for yourself. Okay, so here is the before, this is the before of this trade. All right, this is the before, and I saw this trade, and I expect this trade to go all the way up here. Okay, so even and the market retrace back, I still add more positions. Okay, so what makes me to pick this trade, what makes me anticipate that this trade is gonna go up? So it's what I'll be telling you in this video, so stay tuned with me because I'm gonna show you everything step by step. Okay, now say, okay, remember, here is the time, here is the time I do what, see it here. Okay, see it here. So, and the market bounce back a little bit, then bounce back a little bit and go straight to the point. Okay, so, and after this, currently now, I'm still on this trade, the current trade, which is this one. Okay, which is this one. I enter this, as you can see, 2nd March, which is today, and I enter this trade at the sniper here, and boom, I'm still holding this trade. It's still going. It's still a massive profit. Okay, though I have secured some profit, but I'm gonna show you everything, see, step by step. These are other trade. I will talk about these ones later, but I want to focus more on this Volatility 100 1x index. Okay, this analysis, I'm going to tell you the breakdown and how to spot it. All right, now if you want to join this channel, Trade with Michel TUBANATION, click the link under this video, the description under this video. Check the description to join. If you are watching from Facebook, check my bio. If you're watching from TikTok, my bio. And if you're watching from Instagram, my bio. But if you're watching this video from YouTube, so check the description under this video to join Trade with Michel TUBANATION, or you go to my Telegram channel, go to Telegram channel and type at Michel TUBA, at Michel TUBA. That's a direct link to this Telegram channel. And remember, I don't offer VIP signals. All right, I only teach you step by step how to become an independent profitable trader. All right, so I will highly welcome you can click the link to join this Telegram channel. Now let's jump into the video. Let me go and show you everything step by step. Let's go to the chart. Let me show you how I spot this trade and how I know that this trade is gonna go straight to a TP and the second trade I'm on, how I still spot it and still enter the trade. So let's jump into the chart and do it step by step. Or where is this market coming from? Okay, where is the market going, or where is the market coming from? If you don't know where is the market coming from and where the market is going, you will definitely lose money. And that's why TUBA is here for you. All right. Let's say you just come into the chart in the morning time. You just come, you open your system or your smartphone. You want to analyze a trade. Okay. How do you know what is happening? What I'm telling you is TUBA way. What we do in TUBA strategy mentorship. The best first thing to do is to go straight to your higher time frame to know what is happening in there. Let's say, for example, you come into 24 hours, okay, which is daily time frame, okay, 24 hours, which is daily time frame, okay. Now, if you check here, we have been making consistent profits. When we entered here, this market go all the way up here, all right. And when we also traded this, the market still go down to this point. Okay, we did not trade all this, but here give us massive profit. Okay, here also we did not trade all the way up here, but here also give us massive profit. And what about here, which the one I'm gonna talk about right now? I'm gonna talk about this. How do we spot this trade here that you just watched the before and after? Now, looking at this, okay, looking at this, you may be saying, okay, this is downtrend. All right, this is a downtrend. But if you look very well, you find out also know that here is uptrend here. And you find out that this trade we buy here, we sell here, we buy here. These are the things we talk about step by step in the TUBA strategy mentorship. But how do I pick up this trader? Then I saw what is going on. I come to my H4. All right. Now, when I come to my H4, I know that, okay, this market just break a structure and it need to, take out some liquidity to start selling down. All right. I know that, okay, this market, the world, what is happening here now, the market really needs to go up. Then, before going down again. Now, remember I entered from this zone. Then I wait for confirmation before buying up. I did not just buy. I wait for confirmation and I see the kind of confirmation I want here. And if you look very well, you see that um this market has been going up, okay, making a series of lower higher high, lower high, lower. But you will find this thing very clear if you go to your H1. All right. Okay, you see it. The market has been breaking structure, making a series of higher highs and higher lows here on H1. All right. Now, the next thing to spot is your inducement. It's very, very important. You know why you always lose, or at the end of the day, market always hits your surplus because you don't know how to place your inducement. You don't know where your inducement is. Okay, how to spot the right inducement. And this is something that have break down step by step in the trade with in the TUBA strategy mentorship is already there. So if you are a Tubetian, just watch the videos very carefully and you will understand this, how to spot your inducement step by step. And if you are not in the try as much as you can to join us because you have a lot of things to do there. Okay, you have a lot of things to learn. Okay, so here I spot the inducement from the H4. That's where I always take my inducements. Okay, now after spotting my inducement, where should I, my area of interest? And that is exactly what I spot from H1. All right. Now I draw it, I use this other block here. I use this OB here, okay, as my um area of interest. And the market come down here. When I analyze the trade, the first time I analyzed the trade, the market was around this zone. Was around this zone. So later go up again. No panic. I was still waiting for the market to come to my point and my area of interest. And it comes down. Now, when the market comes in here, okay, you need a confirmation. It's not just because the market just come to your area of interest, you start clicking buy or sell. It's very, very wrong. And that is what I teach step by step in TUBA strategy mentorship. How to know that, okay, this market is ready for me to place my, to pull the trigger to place buy or sell. It's not because the market comes here. The market can still come here and go still going down, because already if you check this from the higher time frame, you know that this market is selling down. But there is something I told you, the market need to go up again, more especially to this zone, because there is a very let me show you something here. Let me just give you a little expo here. If you check, this candle sell aggressively, all right, and still break structure. So markets need to pull back a little bit to still get strength and start selling down. Okay, now to join this trend, you don't just trade, because the market can still, do something like this nature and still break this structure again and keep on selling down. So that is why you wait for for this thing market to change, for the market structure to shift to the upside, to say, okay, I don't want to sell for now. Not that I'm not gonna sell, but for now I don't want to sell. I want to go up a little bit. Maybe later I will sell. I don't know if you're getting the point now. Now, that is why you go to your H1 to find if, okay, if the market doing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, how many structures have the market break to the upside that will give you that confidence? Okay, this market have shift. I have already talked about this. Now, when the market comes to your area of interest, which is here, for me, I normally use 5 minutes. Okay, you go to 5 minutes. What are you going to look for 5 minutes? You are looking for confirmation. And the confirmation is what I have already talked about in the TUBA strategy mentorship. We have different types of confirmation. Okay, because markets don't, the price or the market can't just go in one particular pattern. So we have different um confirmations that we to know that, oh, this market is ready. And here it is. Here is where it's okay, this market is ready. And a little bit the market pull back. I enter my position here. Okay, I enter my position here. And now let's watch closely. Remember the time I I did my analysis. I said, okay, this market is ready. You saw you saw it, and the market pull back here to back to my area of interest, because I know that, oh, this market must surely pull back. It need to pull back, because I did. There is no way I will be buying from here. No way. You wait. Sometimes a lot of traders, what is killing you is you just want to be faster than your shadow. You just want to, because you see a candle going up, you say, okay, it's going up, you join. No, it's not the way to trade. You calm down, trade with relaxed mind. That's why TUBA is there for you. I talk about this step by step in um TUBA strategy mentorship, the mistake a lot of traders are making out there, and this is costing you a hell of money, and that's why you are blowing your account. If you go back, you will see the time I screenshot this. I have done the analysis, the market was here, but I still have to wait because I know that the market is going to still pull back a little bit, and the market pull back a little bit. Now, let's watch something closely. Let me show you something. The same area. This is the time, so the time I did the analysis, and this is the time I made my entry. I see a confirmation, what I'm looking for, and I enter. And now watch closely. Let's assume I entered here. From here, the market start going up, and immediately I entered. That means no much drawdown anymore. No much drawdown. Okay, no much drawdown. Now, look very well. Watch closely. You see, I still give a little room here. Still give a little room, okay, for the market to breathe, because you have to give the trade a little space. Now, let's say, for example, from here to here, let's check. Okay. Before this market pull back, this market have already given us how many risk reward? 1:4.7. That means, for example, if I'm risking $10 on this trade, from here to here, I have already made $40. If I'm risking $100, I've already made $400. And if I'm risking $1,000 on this trade, I have made $4,000. Okay, $4,000. And if I'm risking $10,000 on this trade, I'll make $40,000. I don't know if you're getting the point now. Now, what's happened if you are trading and say, okay, I don't care what the market is doing, I just care about the TP. Okay, I just care about the take profit. Now watch closely. This is take profit there. From here to here, you make 1:8, 8.37. All right, that means if you risk $10 from here, and you check very well, if you check very well here, from my Excel, okay, my Excel here, this one did not even hit. Although the main Excel should still be this place, okay, this place. Even if you are trading from this place, you still have 1:4, okay. And even if you just trade here, if you check very well here, you see that the market just bounce, and even give you another confirmation for you to still enter markets here. You can still trade this, okay, because you see this break a structure here, you can still trade this, and the market boom around this zone. You can still, because it's still here, okay. You check very well here. So assuming you miss here, assuming you miss entering here, you can still enter here, because there is a very good confirmation here. This is one of our confirmations. See here, okay. This market break structure here, this market shifts here from the downside, okay. It breaks here, market structure shifts happens here, and the bounce back again, now start going up. All right, so even if you enter here, you are still good to go, okay. You still make massive profit. That means if you are risking $1,000 here, you are making $8,000. If you're risking $10,000 here, you are making $80,000. And if you are making $100,000, you are making $800,000 here. That you just said. Now, what about this? Because I still show you the current trade I am, because I show you from the chart how I make this sniper entry. Okay, now see the same thing. After this trade hits my take profit and bounce back, what makes me pick this trade here and enter at this zone is still the same thing. You go to your higher time frame. Okay, TUBA is not difficult. Okay, TUBA strategy is not difficult if you understand it. step by step, and I make everything step by step for you to understand. Look at this bullish candle that happened here. Okay, remember immediately this candle just compared, this thing go bullish, go down a little bit, then tap to the take profit. Now look at this bullish, strong bullish candle. All right. Now, when I saw this, I have to say, okay, where is my liquidity? I spot my liquidity on the H4 because look at what happened. Look at what happened here. Look at this rejection here. Coming down. Where is the liquidity? I spot my liquidity, my inducement. It's very, very important. Okay. And I spot my inducement. Then what next? I go to H1. All right. Now, when I come to H1, I have to find the nearest OB, which is this one here. All right. Now, immediately I spot it, I have to wait for a confirmation. I don't just trade because this market just tapped and yet start trade. I have to now go to wait for a confirmation. And I see my confirmation. Very sweet confirmation, bro. Very sweet confirmation. All right. I see the confirmation I want to, and I trade it. And let me tell you something. Let's say even if, like I told you earlier, I have secured some profit. Okay. Now look at what happened here. Let's say, for example, I want to take I'm okay with here. From here, enter this trade. Okay, watch closely. Watch closely. This one is to 4. From this point, I enter this trade to this place. It's 1:4. Even this here now is, let's say, let me say, for example, I just this 1:6. From this point to here, 1:6. That is, even if I'm risking as low as $10, I'm making $60. If I'm risking $100 here, I'm making $600. If I'm risking $1,000, this is $6,000. If I'm risking $10,000, this is $60,000. And if I'm risking 100,000 US dollars, this is 600,000 US dollars here. 1:6, bro. This is simple. Okay, I'm showing you what I'm doing step by step. If you're watching this video to this point and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I think this is the best time for you to hit that subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so that anytime I drop more videos, YouTube gonna notify you. Or anytime I drop videos on Facebook, follow me on Facebook, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Twitter, on X, follow me on TikTok, okay? If you have any question regarding this, just drop in the comment section. I will attend to it. So, like a lot of you, your chart is full of noise, a lot of indicators. If you check some of the videos in the YouTube, you will find out that there is a whole lot of indicator strategy there. But these are for newbies. Okay, that is for just a startup. Many of us we started from there. But the one that will give you more confidence in trading and give you more accuracy is trading the structure of the market. That is PA, price action. Not just price action they are teaching you out there. TUBA way. TUBA is the way. TUBA is the best. Trade with Mitchell, unbeatable accurate. No strategy is more accurate than this. When you come to trading synthetic indices, this is not about hype. I'm telling you this. TUBA is the best strategy out there, the number one currently now. So study it, master it, trade it, unlearn whatever thing you have learned. I know many of you have been blowing accounts step by step. You have lost a lot of fun. But if you can understand this concept, bro, you're gonna make money for yourself. If you have not joined my general Telegram channel, click the description link to join us. Okay, you can study my chart. If you have not joined TUBA Strategy Mentorship, that is where you're supposed to be. It's a very good community. A lot of people, traders are analyzing you. I can ask questions there. I can attend to you step by step. And I can even still make a special video for you. Okay? You're going to enjoy trading with TUBA Strategy. Okay? You're going to enjoy the community. Very, very lovely. Many things are happening there. So that's where you can learn step by step everything from A to Z. All right. So I hope you understand how I pick these entries, everything step by step. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. I remain Mitchell, your mentor, the number one trading educator who truly cares about you watching me right now becoming an independent trader. I'll talk to you soon in my next video. Bye for now. I love you. Keep winning.